Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2017 set 1 question number 20. Let T be a tree with 10 vertices. The sum of the degree of all the vertices in T is dash. In case of tree, if there are n vertices, then there will be n minus 1 edges. Suppose this is a tree, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So number of vertices equals to 5, whereas number of edges equals to 4. So in case of 10 vertices, when b equals to 10, number of edges will be 9. And it is asking the sum of the degree of all the vertices in T is. So sum of degree of all the vertices in any graph equals to 2 multiplication number of edges. And here number of edges equals to 9. 2 multiplication 9, it's 18. So answer will be 18. I already discussed graph theory during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.